it's cooking with Jordan. Just kidding. Making Chipotle Tempeh Chili. Onions, bell pepper, Anaheim pepper, and crushed garlic. Did all this in advance. Hot pot. Just had it on the good old Coleman. Pulling it off so I don't splatter a bunch of shit. Stuff, excuse me. Going right in. Cook that down for 10-15 minutes so it's all kind of translucent and soft and looking good. And we'll add some other stuff. Get you later.
When?
Onions, peppers, all that stuff cooked down, looking really good. I lied earlier. I said Chipotle. It's not Chipotle. It's
nope.
Anaheim.
Gotta redo. You lied.
Because it's Anaheim peppers. You know why? Because King Supers didn't have anything. So here we are. This is the rest of what's going in the chili. Give you a really brief video tour. Fire roasted diced tomatoes. Boom, a little flavor in there, delicious. Black beans for fiber, gotta stay regular. Tempeh, I don't know how to say that. And then taco seasoning, because why put a bunch of seasonings together when they do that in packs for you? And then of course, beer, because the recipe called for vegetable broth, but it was really bad, so we're gonna use beer instead. But first you have to drink it and make sure that beer is good. All right, in we go. Let's do, doesn't really matter because it's chili. Tomatoes. Black beans. It's probably more than I really want, but that's what you're gonna do. Trusty not knife thing. I can't find my knife.
Don't do this at home, folks.
Oh God, just kidding. Oh, and there's 2 packages. Okay. All right, cut it. Cut it. All right, we're all done. Simmered for 15 minutes, maybe more. You can simmer until you run out of propane for all I care.
Can I get a stir?
That's what the finished product looks like. So it's actually a pretty good blend. I thought there was going to be too many beans. But the tempeh's nice because it's tofu, it's not a meat, so you don't have to cook it forever. And it makes for good texture. So throw on cheese, onions, whatever you would put on your normal chili, whatever you pack for your trip. And enjoy. We will put the recipe in the show notes. Or we'll put it in the link. But it's also from REI, so I take no credit. All credit due to the REI journal, I think is where I got it from originally. So just showing you how to recreate out here in beautiful Buena Vista. Till next time, folks. Taking a stroll up the little hill just behind our campsite. Yeah, buddy.